So Chewies, the hairspray is dry now, and what I do now is I'm spraying this in the color I want. For this instance, I would suggest to take a brighter color. I have myself chosen this color here. This is Enchanted Blue. So, and now I will spray the surface. Simply spraying the whole surface now in blue. Directly over the salt and the hairspray. We don't want to have a very thick coat because we want to get a good amount of that off again, and so we leave that not that thick. So that's enough. What I'll do now is I take a little bit of white, when I can find it. Where we have it? There we have it. A little bit of Model Air white into the color. For that instance, I'll do a little bit off. That's a little bit too much. Okay. So I'll simply mix it directly in the pot. So that's enough. Swirl it a little bit around. So then I take my cleaning pot, put my airbrush in, spray a good amount away, so that we end up with a brighter color. And now I will spray from above to give it kind of a highlight. So and I think that's enough. So, at this stage you don't need your airbrush again anymore. That was so good. Well, I will clean out my airbrush now and I'll be back in a second. Chewies. There I am back, and I've prepared myself with a little plate, and now begins the fun part. Also, what you need is warm water and a very soft brush. And what I'm doing now is I am getting rid of the salt here on this surface. For that instance, we grab the water and we are wetting the whole surface with the warm water. And as you can see, maybe there, the salt and the hairspray underneath are getting off, and voila, there you can see the first rusty scratches on the surface. This will be nice. So don't scrub too hard. The warm water and the salt will do their job. Just give him time. It will all go off. So Just constantly adding water. So, and you see that the surface is getting more and more rusty. And you can see now here the difference in the brown shadings. That comes from the things we have done in the first place to this surface. Oh, there comes a big chop off. So, and on the other side, we will create now a little bit scratched surface. And for that instance, we need a hard brush. Now, you can see there, I can create real damage in the surface. That's because the hairspray underneath is getting also soft and is washed away by the water. So nice scratches. What you can also do is take like this here, a stick, and make scratches, real scratches, or you could also take your fingernail like that. So, and here another one. No, an X isn't good. So, that's a nice one. So, and here at the bottom, you can make as many damages in this surface as you want. As you can see, I'm dabbing here really hard on the surface and creating more damages. So, and I think here a little bit more than maybe on the top here. So, what I do now is I let this dry completely so that the hairspray is fixed again and we can go on working with it. But I think for the first things, oh, that was a big one, this is enough. Until then, and we will see us in the next video. You're Alexandra.